Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm doing a quick overview of my How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit for December. Now December is a very busy month for videos. I think I'm uploading this before December starts because December is so busy with videos, but we'll see where it goes up. I have no idea. But I'm just going to share like the collections that I have, not every single piece that I have, mainly because it's a little bit redundant with all the Christmas supplies. But I'll go over some of the collections that I've pulled out. This is most of my Christmas supplies. I only think I have like a couple of things that aren't in here just because of the way that this was situated. So I'm going to pull this off my desk and then go through it with you all. To start off, I have the Wild Whisper Christmas Comfort paper. I believe this is currently sold out, but I believe they are also bringing it back into stock sometime soon. I was on the design team for Wild Whisper in 2017 and 2018. I won't be in 2019, which of course I just have a lot on my plate that I want to do for my channel. So use my discount code while you can for the rest of December. It'll be linked down below, but there's still lots of other lovely ladies on their design team. So stay tuned for the new Wild Whisper collections coming out in 2019. Always support local and small businesses like them. I also have the Pink Fresh Studio Oh Joy collection. I'm not going to go through it. I've used this almost every Christmas for the last 3 Christmases that I've had it. It's got an untraditional color scheme with the like blue teal color included, which I'm a huge fan of. Untraditional? Is that the word I'm looking for? Well, those color schemes that are not traditional. So there's that. Here's one sheet of the Wish Season collection by Fancy Pants. I do have more of it. I just have to find it. Here it is. I have a couple sheets of this that I unboxed in my... That was a couple weeks ago now. The Fancy Pants grab box unboxing. I did a giveaway and all that jazz too when I had it, but this is also an untraditional color scheme with the minty greens, blues. This is like the whole color scheme, minus the green. But very pretty nonetheless. Hopefully I'll be using a bunch of these up, either making Christmas cards or Christmas gifts. I have a couple spare pieces of other ones in here. Another one that I've had for a while is the Sleigh Bells ring collection from My Mind's Eye, which has a much more vintage feel to it than the other ones. Actually, Wish Season has a little bit of that. But these ones are very vintagey with the cream colors, the plaids, and wood greens motifs, lots of those. So I think those are most of the paper collections that I'm going to be using. I also have a couple sheets from Random Basil collections. This one's called Nature Sings. I think I picked this up at Joann's during one of their paper sales. Other than the 12 by 12 papers, I have one 6 by 6. I don't buy Christmas stuff very often, but this is the Pink Fresh Oh Joy. Again, I got this in a Pink Fresh Studio grab box bag thing a while ago, and it coordinates with the 12 by 12, which is perfect. You always want a little coordination. Next up, a majority of my embellishment sets are from Echo Park or Cartabella. These ones are ruined from last year, but I hope to pretty much, demolish these this year. So I have the 6 by 12 chipboard sheets. I have a couple Pink Fresh Studio alphabets. I have gold foil cardstock stickers and then red and gold chipboard stickers, and these are from the December Days, and this one's from the mix number 1. So not Christmassy, but this font reminds me of Christmas, so I decided to include it. I also have this alphabet, which is the Atwell Fancy Pants alphabet green puffy alpha stickers, again from the unboxing that I just did from Fancy Pants. Then I have these old Target ones. These are just some chipboard red and green craft colored ones. Now back into embellishments. You can hear that I'm dropping things. I have the Teresa Collins Tinsel & Company file folders, Target puffy stickers, Fancy Pants Wish Season chipboard pack, Wild Whisper Home for the Holidays stamp set, Pink Fresh Studio Oh Joy stamp set, Pink Fresh Studio December Days chipboard, or I guess these are wood grain stickers is what they call them. The Fancy Pants Marion Bright tags. The only reason I'm not going through everything with you guys is because I go through a lot of it during my process videos for December, which are kind of filmed before I'm sharing this. So it's a little bit confusing, but it'll make sense once you watch everything. Then we also have some Echo Park ephemera from the I Love Christmas collection, Recollections planner stickers, Christmas themed. I Love Christmas brads, Christmas Delivery by Cartabella Brads. This is the Merry and Bright ephemera pack from Fancy Pants. This is a dream. I love this one so much. I didn't even know about the Merry and Bright collection until I got it in the grab bag. Wild Whisper Flare, Wild Whisper pocket page cards, Wild Whisper stamps, Merry and Bright rub-ons, Recollections Gold Deer, Wild Whisper wood veneer, Merry and Bright rub-on. We've got Recollections puffy stickers, enamel dots. We got Ellie Studio. I'm getting more Christmas stuff from them very soon, so I'm going to include it in this eventually once I get them. Ellie Studio acrylic pieces, which are really fun to work with. In the Christmas albums, I tend to venture outside of my comfort zone when it comes to product. So I'm trying like acrylic pieces and rubber shapes and those kind of things. We also have the Wild Whisper ephemera pack. Let's see what else is in here. I have some Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins. I have a ton of Christmas sequins. I mean a ton. I'll always have my link down to the shop below, as well as my discount code, so you guys can get 15% off your order. I have some Freckled Fawn label stickers, which are in an off shade of red, but I still like it. And I apologize for the little bit of glare on top of the product. That always seems to happen. I have two washi tapes from the I Love Christmas collection. Red and white stripe, and then this holly berry. And if you're wondering why I have so much Echo Park, it's because I found a website. I'll have a link down below. It's called idiecut.com, and they do Echo Park and Cartabella exclusively. That's all they sell. And when they have their sales, I fall into the sale every time and I buy more Echo Park. So there's that. I got a cranberry stickles, which I don't know if I just bought this or if I've had it, because I kind of remember buying one recently, but I also don't remember buying one, so I'm not sure. I also have a really old Cheeky Studio set here. This was, it might be 2 years ago, at least 1 year ago. She had a mint and pink collection. So I won it in a giveaway, and I think it was a giveaway. But I won so there's ephemera pieces, there's cards, 3x4 and 4x6. And there's also flare pieces, so I used this on a couple layouts, so far. But again, December's going to be a really exciting month for Christmas stuff. I know a lot of you are going to be doing December daily. And while I don't do December daily, I will be doing some sort of form of Vlogmas, which if you guys remember, I've done it previously, where essentially I just show you guys around my everyday life, which we'll see how that goes. I don't think I can do it daily this year. I might upload on a weekly basis instead. We shall see, no promises, but I am promising that I'll post something. Here's a different basil paper that I had that I plan on using, which is cut in too, so I did use it. I also have the red and white twine. I'm not sure where this one is from. I did get twine once in a rack, so I think that's from that. But I have several red and white twines. I have the Wish Season button mix that was already on my desk over here, just off camera, which came from Fancy Pants. I do have a little bucket of Christmassy items, including washi tapes, Scotch brand. This one's from Joann's, Michael's, American Crafts, Michael's, Recollections, same thing. I have some chipboard pieces, and then the rest of these are from Recollections, and then some Recollections snowflake wood veneer. So it's a tiny little bucket for cute things like that. It's just a really simple, just like essentially all of my Christmas supplies in one place. I also have some things like tissue paper and some mixed media items. Like I pulled out this Colorings Keep Palm green spritz, and then I have some houndstooth tissue paper. And I plan on using some more of my Christmas stamps that I have just lying around for cards and stuff. I also have pulled out my Martha Stewart Snowflake Punch, which we'll see if we use that, maybe on a card. I'm not a huge fan of border punches on layouts, but again, we shall see. It's all up in the air as usual. But that's pretty much what I'm going to be working with all Christmas season long. I hope you guys are excited for more Christmas videos. I know some of you probably don't celebrate Christmas, but in some of my videos, I am doing product focus, so I might be focusing on stamps on one of my layouts so I can show you some different ideas for using your stamps. I will be working on my 2016 album, if you guys remember this guy. I shared a couple of process videos of it from last year, so you can check those out. I'll try to have those linked down below as well. But I'm excited for December. Let me know what you guys think about continuing How to Kill a Kit with Style, this sort of format where I shared my kit at the beginning of the month, what I've made during the month, and then at the end what I have left. If you'd like me to continue that into 2019, let me know. I'm not sure if the other ladies are continuing or not, so we shall see. But there's very exciting things to come, and I hope you guys are excited for the final month of 2018. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to most this month, whether it be Christmas or Christmas crafting, or winter and snow, or spending time with your family. Just let me know in the comments down below. I'm always interested in knowing more. But that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do, just leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them, of course. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!